Karnataka Chief Minister Siddaramaiah announced that a new irrigation scheme worth 1,274 crore is ready for implementation. He made this statement after offering Bagina at the Vani Vilas Reservoir. Siddaramaiah said the scheme would ensure water reaches the last acre of farmland in the region. He criticized the BJP and former minister Govinda Karojol for making false promises about the Upper Bhadra project. He accused them of betraying the people. Siddaramaiah pointed out that although Union Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharam announced 5,300 crore for the project in the budget, the funds have not been released. He called this a betrayal by the central government and the BJP. He urged Sitharam to fulfill her promise and release the funds. Siddaramaiah emphasized that his government delivers on its promises, unlike the BJP, which he accused of deceiving people. He also highlighted the historical significance of the Vani Vilas Reservoir, stating that it is Karnataka's first dam and has a history of 115 years. Responding to BJP's allegations about a lack of funds to appoint boards and corporations, Siddaramaiah dismissed them as false and politically motivated. Additionally, he addressed accusations about the alleged illegal transfer of 87 crore from the Karnataka State Maharshi Valmiki Scheduled Tribes Development Corporation. The BJP state chief B.Y. Vijayendra accused the Congress government of misusing funds meant for the welfare of scheduled caste and scheduled tribes.